Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you are returning, you are truly appreciated. I'm excited to see you. Thank you so much and welcome back, besties. I'm sure you can tell from the title, we are talking about NOIR. I have an opinion, I have a first impression. If you want to hear it, please continue to watch. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous. If that sounds like something that you'd be into or want to be a part of, stop what you're doing. Let me know what you're rocking today because you know I like to know what you're rocking. Also, if this seems like your vibe or your zhush, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button. Don't stop there. Tap the notification bell. That way you never miss a video over here. And if you truly want to take it a step further, come over and say hi on Instagram. Without further ado, we're jumping into this video right now. Hey besties. Okay guys, so listen, I came in last night. My box was sitting on the counter. She's here. I haven't even opened it because I wanted to open it with you guys. You know how I am. We are about to do what? Rip it out the plastic. This is it, of course. It's in this color wave. I believe this is like the Renaissance color. You remember silver was everywhere. Every time I went somewhere, it was like sold out. I'm not even a silver girl, but for the concert, I needed something silver, so this was a color. So let's get into it because I already have an opinion. I wore it last night. I wore it to bed. I already have an opinion. I haven't wore it officially out yet, but I did wear it last night. This is what it looks like here. My lights are bright. Looks like a center in the middle, like a circle. And then you open it up. The box feels kind of sturdy. It's all right. And then this is what it looks like here. I'm sure you have seen this everywhere by now. I'm about to get my fingerprints all over it. Let's see what it feels like. Is it heavy? It's heavy. I do like this. I do like, you guys know I'm like a clean, simple, classic girl. So it says NOIR. It says Beyonce on there as well. I don't know if this, oh, it does slide out. So this does slide out. This looks like the holder for it, or it can stand alone, or you can keep it inside of here. You can pick it up by the bottle. It does have like a little hole in the middle looking like somebody's soul. Look into the middle of the soul. This is good for two reasons. We can see if we need to purchase another bottle, how much we have left. And I just think that it does something attractive for the bottle and makes it look a little bit unique, a little bit different. So I do like that. The name is on one side, as I mentioned, along with her name at the bottom. It's giving, it's okay. I do like, and I do want to make mention that it does come with this little sample here. So in case you wanted to try it before you even opened it, or if you ordered it and you wanted to gift it to someone and you keep the sample, however that may be. So that's how I tried it last night. I didn't open the bottle. I just put it in the sample. I just used the sample, squirted it on after my shower and tried it out and slept with it. Got up this morning and went in for another sniff to see if I felt any different and if my feelings had changed. This is what this looks like. I don't really know what this QR code is for. Probably, I don't know, to purchase it or what have you. Also on this side, it looks like this here. This is like an 18 ml here. It says sample not for resale. Warning flammable. It's quite a bit of juice in here. So if you wanted to travel with this, that would be a great idea. Or if you wanted to put it in your handbag and make it your signature scent for the night or the evening or what have you, and you wanted to top yourself off when you went in the powder room or the ladies room, this is definitely really cute. It's very sleek. It's compact. It's discreet. You can just slide it right in your pocket and go in the ladies room and powder your nose and freshen your fragrance. We love doing that over here. Okay, so let's get into the fragrance. Wait, let me fix my hair. It's gonna be a lot of that in here, you guys. It's only right, okay? We're talking about Beyonce. So anyways, you guys, the notes inside of the fragrance, okay? We have honey, we have clementine, and our middle notes, we have jasmine, seaback, we have rose, myrrh, and we have amber. That's what the notes that are listed here. So I got home last night, I sprayed it. I've already have a dry down card here that I'll be, testing it out on and give you my opinion. Immediately coming home, spraying it out of the shower, I got a freshness. I've got mandarin. I got like clementine. I guess what that is. Citrus, something like, And it was good. I was like, okay, it's fresh. It's clean. It sat on my skin a little bit longer. And then the dry down began to happen. And then it kind of went really close to my skin and sat there for a while, and I kept smelling it, and it did develop, and it did something different from what it originally or initially started out. It started out very fresh, very open. When I first initially sprayed it, I said, okay, I get it. I like that. Okay, let's look at the mister as we're talking. Here's a mister here. It's very evenly distributed. It's finely mist, very finely mist. I do like that. And it's nice. I like how it comes out. In the initial beginning, I'm like, okay, I like this. It doesn't smell anything like, oh my gosh, I never smelled this before. It smells like something that I've smelled somewhere in a life before. I mean, it wasn't anything that I'm like, oh my God, I've never smelled this before. It's so unique. I didn't get that. Play on words, unique. I know. Anyways, you guys, so yeah, I did not get, it was just like so unique, but I did think it was nice. And then as it dried down, I don't know if it's just my body chemistry. That's why this is just my opinion. Always, search it for yourself, but the dry down on me, I didn't love. I'm going to be honest with you. The dry down on me, I did not love. It set really close to my skin. I even had my guy smell it on me and he was like, oh, that's not loving you back. It's not loving me back. It's nice. It smells, I don't think it's like a bubble gum, young. I get, signature scent worthy even. I do get like a woman, I mean, when I say a woman, I mean, like, I do get somebody put together. I do get somebody on their own grind about their business. It's not very sexy to me. It does have a tad bit sexy, but it's not real sexy to me. I don't think of date night when I think about it. I don't think of, this is really my initial opinion, you guys, like real talk, frill. You already know I'm about to play with it. I'm going out tonight. I might wear it. I really don't know. I think I probably will just play with it in the house for now and just running errands because I just don't know if I want that to be my whole scent of the night. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying I can't compartmentalize it yet. Remember when Fenty came out and Rihanna came out with her fragrance Fenty? I could not compartmentalize that one in the beginning as well. I had to play with it and see where it went in my life. I wasn't really expecting it to be like Killian fragrance. I wasn't really expecting it to be, something like anything like that. Beyonce is that girl. You don't know what she's doing. You know what I mean? She really has that privacy thing unlocked. So I was just waiting to see what the wall was going to look like, as me and my twin bestie keep saying right now. And this is what it's looking like. I don't love it. It's not a love at first sniff for me. It's not really even a... It's not. I don't know what else to say. I mean, it's nice. I get it. I'm happy to have it in my collection. I wanted to support. You guys know I don't like being out of a movement. I wanted to be able to get it and have it and review it for you all. I wanted to be able to participate in the fragrance community and share my thoughts and opinions as well as my first impression. Okay, but these fingerprint things will get on my nerves, okay? Because it is definitely giving you have been touching the bottle. So I definitely will be cleaning it all day. But yeah, it's a gorgeous bottle. I love the hole here. I mean, I need to play with it a little bit more. I did wear it last night. I got up, it was still on me. I was still able to smell it. It wasn't prevalent. It's not groundbreaking. It's not earth shattering. It's not beast mode. It's not in your face. It's none of those things. It's very much like a beautiful, nice fragrance, if I were to say that. I don't get, but for me, let's be clear too, I am more drawn to notes that are a little bit more heavier, a little bit more in your face, a little bit more. And the notes here that I just said, honey, clementine, rose, myrrh, amber, I'm more like a labdanum, oak moss, patchouli, vanilla, labdanum, benzoin, notes that really hit you in the face. This is kind of more on the softer side from the type of fragrances that I really like. I really like those bold, kind of even almost masculine, some would say, type of scents, really in your face, really gonna just like not disturb your peace, but it's definitely gonna get your attention. I think that you can wear this like on a first date or like a date night if it wasn't trying to be like a real heavy, sexy, romantic kind of date, or maybe just romantic, maybe not sexy, but a romantic kind of date. First date, I think it's soft enough for you to wear to the office, work, church, your typical places that you would go. I also find that it's not going to disturb anybody's peace. I feel it's soft, it's mellow. It seems, to be honest with you, as I keep talking about it, it's probably like Beyonce. You know what I mean? Because we know she comes out and she performs and she goes into this, ego, alter ego, character, everything like that. But the Beyonce at heart that I don't know, that she seems to be, from what I see, the little piece of her that I do see is more quiet, more reserved, more calm, cool, and collective. and very much, you know, like put together, and she shows very well and ladylike, classy, I would even say. This would be the fragrance. I mean, it seems to me it would sum up her personality from what I see. Like I said, we don't see much. I don't see much. I'm not a beehive lover, but I respect the hustle, respect the grind, and her coming out with this, capitalizing on it right in time for the holidays. Not only that, but right after the concert and during the concert, I should say. Kudos to her. I mean, it's a nice fragrance. Like I said, I could be a little biased because these typically are not my type of notes. I'm not a soft fragrance kind of gal, but I like it. I mean, it's nice. Would I say run out and, oh my God, you gotta have it. That's up to you. You know what I mean? I wanted a piece of it in my collection. I went to the Renaissance concert. I wanted to be a part of that movement as well. I wore this same shirt, so I thought I'd do it in the same thing. And, you know, I like it. So that's my 2.5 on it. If you have any questions, leave it down below. I'm definitely gonna play with it a little bit more, see what I get from it. It probably, at this point, to me, it is what it is. You know what I mean? I don't really see anything developing and changing, but I will wear it outside. Let's see if the cold weather adds something to it. Or, you know, I don't know. I just play with fragrances a few more. I'll just play with it a few more times, I should say, and see if there's anything else that I really get from this fragrance. So far, so good. I'm not going to rate it. It's not for me to rate. It's a beautiful fragrance. Everybody has their own opinion, their own, you know, vibe of what it's giving off for them. For me, it's a beautiful, soft, you know, nice fragrance. And that's what I would say about NOIR. And I'll say no more. I'll say less. I love the play on words. NOIR, say no more. Good job, Beyonce. Congratulations to you. You guys, like I said, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them. Do not forget to come over and say hi on Instagram if you have not already. And I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, dwellings. Thanks for watching. Bye.